Hi, welcome to Bar Cart Bookshelf, a video series about books and the drinks they inspire. My name is Elias, and today we're talking about Cocktails and Consoles by me. Cocktails and Consoles is a beverage book of 75 drinks, cocktails and mocktails alike, for groovy gamers and savvy sippers of all sorts. And today specifically, we're going to be talking about Danganronpa 2, Goodbye Despair, and the drink that that game inspired, the Komai Taida. It's a riff on a classic Mai Tai with a pink tropical twist. The Danganronpa series is a franchise of visual novels and murder mystery games where the ultimate students are forced to participate in a killing game. They are trapped in an isolated location and pitted against one another in segments where they both expand the story and get to know each other, and then participate in class trials as well to uncover who the killer and who the ultimate mastermind of their situation is. It's a franchise that is interested in exploring the interlocking nature of hope and despair, and is just really a lot of fun. The high mark of the series, in my opinion, and I think pretty generally, is the second entry, Goodbye Despair, where the killing game takes place on a tropical island, which helped to inspire our drink today. It's a Komai Taida. It's a riff on the classic tiki tropical drink, the Mai Tai, bearing some of those classic elements there, but keeping it fresh with a little twist of this wonderful peak guava. And so, we'll demonstrate the drink, and y'all can let me know what you think. We're going to start with 1 ounce of white rum. We're going to be doing this on hard mode, so we'll get another ounce of this blackstrap rum coming at the end of our drink making expedition. So we'll get 1 ounce of the white rum into the shaker. We're going to then get our sweeteners, the guava nectar. I'm using this guava puree right now, and we're going to get 1/2 ounce of that. Just really lovely, pink, tropical tasting. Perfect. And just very, very fragrant, really delicious. It's going to make everything you put it in taste tropical. It's right up there with like passion fruit. That's just very fresh and summery and exciting. And then 1/2 ounce of orgeat. It's an almond-based syrup, really classic cocktail syrup. We've got a recipe for how to make it yourself in the book, in Cocktails and Consoles. It's one of my favorites. It's just sort of nutty and floral, made with almonds, very good really for some summer drinks like the Komai Taida here, but also really excellent for a number of winter drinks as well. We've got some really fun dessert cocktails with that orgeat almond syrup in the book for you to discover too. And then, to brighten things up and also to help clean out my jigger, I like to add the citrus last because it's just going to help wash out some of the stickiness of those sweeteners in there and make sure that we really get all of the ingredients that we want into our shaker. We're going to get 3/4 ounce of lime juice in there, and that's going to be about the amount that you can squeeze from one decently sized fresh lime. So 3/4 ounce of lime juice in there. Perfect. Jigger's looking nice and clean. And then we'll get a scoop of crushed ice. Let me get my bar spoon, break that crushed ice up. So easy in the summer for that crushed ice to sort of turn into a lump in your bowl or wherever you happen to be scooping your crushed ice from. Lovely. But we'll get that down in there and continue to break it up because we'll need it for our glass at the end. Tap that, give it a stout tap like so, so that it seals flush on one side but not on the other, and shake it on up. Perfect. And you're going to want to shake that for about 10 seconds or so until your shaker tins are nice and frosty freezy and the drink has really had a chance to blend. Give that a nice stout tap on the side to open up those tins, and then we'll pour that into a nice lowball old-fashioned glass. Perfect. We've got some more space in there, so we're going to top that with a little more crushed ice. Just nice and refreshing on these hot summer days. Perfect. Or when you're trapped on a tropical island, you need something frosty, freezy, refreshing. A little bit more. Perfect. And then, because we're doing this on hard mode, going to take my jigger here and measure out 1 ounce of blackstrap rum, this really dark, rich molasses rum. It's going to add a lot of depth to anything that you put it in, sort of chocolatey, and as I said, very, very rich. We're going to get 1 ounce of that into the jigger, and we are going to make a float. So we're going to float this on top of that lovely pale pink of the Komaitaida. This pink is sort of derived from the color of the blood in the games. And you're going to take your bar spoon and just sort of pour that blackstrap rum over the top so that it disperses in evenly without going too deep down to one side. And so you can see you have this really nice split between the darkness of the blackstrap rum up top and retaining that wonderful pink down below. We'll garnish this with a lime wheel and a sprig of mint. Perfect. And there you have it. This is the Komaitaida, inspired by Danganronpa 2, Goodbye Despair. It, along with many, many other recipes inspired by the wonderful world of video games, from classics like Colossal Cave Adventure and Pac-Man, all the way up to modern favorites like Hades and Assassin's Creed, can all be found in Cocktails and Consoles, which is available this fall, September 10th. Try the drink, let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and until next time, cheers!